He wants to sleep.
uxlamoqchi bo'ldi.
The water.
Suv.
He's sleeping under the water.
U suv ichida uxlayotdi.
Uh-oh, a fish.
Abda, beliq.
A big, bad fish.
Night cho'ng vahshiy beliq.
Donald is sleeping.
Donald uxlayotdi.
Wake up, Donald!
Uyg'on, Donald.
It's morning.
Tong otdi.
Donald doesn't want to wake up. Donald wants to sleep.
Donald uyg'onishni xohlamaydi. U yana uxlamoqchi edi.
Now, repeat.
Takrorlang.
It's morning.
Tong otdi.
It's time to wake up.
O'rindan turadigan vaqt bo'ldi.
It's a new day.
Bu bir yangi kun.
It's time to play.
O'ynaydigan vaqt bo'ldi.
It's night.
Kech kirdi.
It's bedtime.
Uxlaydigan vaqt bo'ldi.
Now, answer.
Javob bering.
Does he want to dance?
U usul o'ynamoqchimi?
No, he doesn't.
Yo'q, u usul o'ynamoqchi emas.
Does he want to wash?
U yuyinmoqchimi?
No, he doesn't.
Yo'q, u yuyinmoqchi emas.
Does he want to sleep?
U uxlamoqchimi?
Yes, he does.
Ha, u uxlamoqchi.
Does he want to wake up?
U uyg'onmoqchimi?
No, he doesn't.
Yo'q, u uyg'onmoqchi emas.
Now, answer.
Javob bering.
Is it day?
Hozir kunduzmi?
No, it's night.
Yo'q, hozir kecha.
Is it night?
Hozir kechami?
Yes, it's night.
Ha, hozir kecha.
Is it night?
Hozir kechami?
No,
Yeah.
it's day.
Hozir kunduz.
Is it day?
Hozir kunduzmi?
Yes, it's day.
Ha, hozir kunduz. Keyingi darsimiz Disney sehrli ingliz tilining 10-darsi Billa o'ynang. Siz boshqa do'stlarimizga o'xshashda ko'gash, o'ynamoq ingliz tilida so'zlaydigan bo'lasiz. Birdamdan keyin ko'rishaylik. Xayr, xo'sh.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Happy, happy all are we. Now we've learned our ABCs. Now we've learned our ABCs.
Let's play.
Billa o'ynaylik.
Goofy loves sports.
Goofy tanharakatni yaxshi ko'radi.
He's a champion.
U bir chempion.
Goofy plays golf.
Goofy golf top o'ynaydi.
Goofy plays tennis.
Goofy setki top oynaydı.
Goofy runs.
Goofy yugurdu.
Goofy walks.
Goofy yorgulap maňady.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, a 4, a 1, a 2. Goofy dances.
Goofy usul oynaydı.
Goofy jumps.
Goofy igizgi sakraydı.
Goofy runs.
Goofy yugurdu.
Goofy is a champion.
Goofy degan bir çempion.
Goofy's running.
Goofy yugurib oturdu.
He's running slowly.
O asta yugurib oturdu.
But he can run very fast.
Lekin o nayt tez yuguralıydı.
Goofy's walking.
Goofy meňip oturdu.
He can walk fast.
O nayt tez maňalaydı.
Jump! Goofy's jumping.
Goofy igizgi sakrap oturdu.
He can jump very high.
O nayt igizgi sakrayalaydı.
Goofy's jumping.
Goofy tosak atlap oturdu.
Oh, Goofy.
Oh, Goofy.
Now, repeat.
Tekrarlan.
Goofy is running slowly.
Goofy asta yugurib oturdu.
Goofy can run fast.
Goofy tez yuguralaydı.
Goofy can walk fast.
Goofy tez maňalaydı.
Goofy can jump high.
Goofy nayt igizgi sakrayalaydı.
Goofy is a champion.
Goofy bir çempion.
Play.
Oynaş.
Play.
Oynaş.
Play.
Oynaş.
Play.
Oynaş.
Play.
Oynaş.
High.
İgiz.
High.
İgiz.
High.
İgiz.
High.
İgiz.
Fast.
Tez.
Fast, fast, fast.
Tez tez.
Fast.
Tez.
Fast.
Tez.
Fast.
Tez.
Slow.
Asta.
Slow.
Asta.
Slow.
Asta.
This is the tortoise.
Bu taşbaka.
And this is the hare.
Bu toşkan.
runs very fast.
Toshqanni ayt tez yuguradi.
The tortoise runs slowly.
Toshbaqa bak asta yuguradi.
The tortoise wants to win.
Toshbaqa g'alaba qilaman deydi.
The hare wants to win.
Toshqan g'alaba qilaman deydi.
Who's winning?
Kim g'alaba qiladi?
The tortoise!
Toshbaqa.
The tortoise wins!
Toshbaqa g'alaba qildi.
The hare runs very fast,
Toshqanni ayt tez yugurib ketdi.
but he stops all the time.
Lekin u yo'lda bir hazat to'xtab oldi.
He talks with his friends,
U do'stlari bilan qaramashdi.
he laughs with his friends,
U do'stlarini rosa kuldirdi.
he plays tennis.
U setki to'p o'ynadi.
The tortoise doesn't stop.
Toshbaqa to'xtab qolmadi.
He wants to win.
U g'alaba qilmoqchi.
He wins!
U g'alaba qildi.
Now, answer.
Javob bering.
Who's slow?
Kimning sur'ati asta?
The tortoise is slow.
Toshbaqaning sur'ati asta.
Who's fast?
Kimning sur'ati tez?
The hare is fast.
Toshqanning sur'ati tez.
Who runs fast?
Kim tez yuguradi?
The hare runs fast.
Toshqan tez yuguradi.
Who runs slowly?
Kim asta yuguradi?
The tortoise runs slowly.
Toshbaqa asta yuguradi.
And who wins?
Kim g'alaba qildi?
The tortoise wins!
Toshbaqa g'alaba qildi.
Do you play croquet?
Yes, Your Majesty.
To'qmoq to'p o'ynamsiz.
Xo'p, xonshalilaring.
The queen wants to play croquet.
Xonish, to'qmoq to'p o'ynamoqchi.
Finish!
The queen plays.
Xonish o'ynayotidi.
Bravo, queen!
Bak yaxshi bo'ldi. Xonish.
Alice wants to play croquet.
Elis to'qmoq to'p o'ynamoqchi.
But she can't play.
Lekin u oynayamadi.
Yes, she can.
Shundaq, u oynaya oladi.
They don't want her to win.
Lekin ular uning g'alaba qilishini xohlamaydi.
The queen doesn't want her to win.
Hodish uning g'alaba qilishini xohlamaydi.
The queen is happy.
Xonish xushal bo'lib ketdi.
Alice isn't happy.
Lekin Elis xushal bo'lmaydi.
Now, answer.
Javob bering.
Who's playing croquet?
Kim to'qmoq to'p o'ynayapti?
The queen is playing croquet.
Xonish to'qmoq to'p o'ynayapti.
Who's playing croquet?
Kim to'qmoq to'p o'ynayapti?
Alice is playing croquet.
Elis to'qmoq to'p o'ynayapti.
Who's winning?
Kim g'alaba qildi?
The queen is winning.
Xonish g'alaba qildi.
Who isn't winning?
Kim yengilib qoldi?
Alice isn't winning.
Elis yengilib qoldi.
Who isn't happy?
Kim xushal emas?
Alice isn't happy.
Elis xushal emas.
Sports are fun.
Tanarkat night ko'ngilli.
Let's play.
O'ynaylik.
Let's jump.
Sakraylik.
Let's run.
Yuguraylik.
Slow.
Asta.
Fast.
Tez.
High.
Egiz.
Sports are fun.
Tanarkat night ko'ngilli.
Let's play.
O'ynaylik.
Let's run.
Yuguraylik.
Do you want to play?
O'yinig'ingiz bormi?
Yes, we want to play.
Ha-a. O'yinig'im bor.
Let's play.
Billa o'ynaylik.
Let's have fun today.
Biz bugun ko'ngilli o'ynaylik.
Let's have fun.
Ko'ngilli o'ynaylik.
Now, sing.
Naqshi bugun.
Do you want to play?
Yes, we want to play.
Let's play. Let's have fun today. Let's play. Let's play. Let's have fun today. Let's have fun. Do you want to play?
Yes, we want to play.
Let's play. Let's have fun today. Let's play. Let's play. Let's have fun today. Let's have fun. Let's play. Let's have fun today. Let's play. Let's play. Let's have fun today. Let's have fun.
John and Michael are brothers.
John bilan Mitchell aka ufka.
Wendy is their sister.
Wendy ularning ochisi.
Nana is their dog.
Nana ularning iti.
The boys are playing.
Bu bolalar o'ynayotdi.
Nana is playing.
Nana o'ynayotidi.
The boys are jumping on the bed.
Balalar karvatda sakrab o'ynayotidi.
They don't want to go to bed.
Ularning uxlag'isi yo'q edi.
They want to play.
Ular o'ynashni yaxshi ko'radi.
Uh-oh, here's Father.
Apla. Dadasi kelib qoldi.
Father doesn't like to play.